coming out tonight for the announcement that JJ is going to run for our tax assessor and collector. I'm Craig Latul. I'm with the Fort Bend County Republican Party, and I'm its outreach chairman and a precinct chair as well. Thank you so much for coming.
大家好，我是在西六修院住了28年了，我现在是担任这个 Fort Bend Chinese American Association 的 President，President 就是侨安社的会长，用英文吧。
是以前共和党不是我做科尔屋的飞行界，我们非常支持 JJ， 结果他是 say your money is our job， right？
I'm the president of Houston Chinese Chamber of Commerce. Okay, yeah, and U.S. Army veteran. Yeah. Thank you.
My name is Noemi. I'm from University of Beijing.
I'm her husband, and I'm also from Beijing University.
I'm a real estate professional. This Connie run, and on this campaign, I am JJ's graphic designer.
My name is Li Ting, and I work at the Baylor College of Medicine as administrative staff. So I'm a diehard Republican.
Oh, good.
Yeah. My name is John Xie. I'm the president of U.S.-China Friendship Association. We truly support Jingjing.
Thank you.
Congratulate JJ on running. So JJ, congratulations, and I appreciate the chance to be here.
Thank you. Spiritual counselor, I'm here to support JJ Jingjing because I see her dedication and her hard work as a strong woman, and that's why I'm here to help her. And then I also believe our Fort Bend ISD needs someone like that, education and save money. Right?
Oh, yeah, save money.
Yes, we are support Jingjing. It's very good. Thank you.
JJ and I are so moved by all those donations and everybody's efforts to support JJ. Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much.
Rachel.
You know, we're so proud. You know, Jingjing Clemence come out to run for this Fort Bend County tax assessor collector. Okay, and she's more than qualified. Proud of this. She's so incredible. You know, person and hardworking person, and we want her to be able to win this election.
Okay, my name is David Peng, news reporter and TV host.
She's my young volunteer. She's in charge of my one of my social media group, right? Well, first of all, I want to thank everyone to come here to attend my first great meeting event. I want to thank our Cooking Girl owner who sponsored tonight's event. I want to thank my volunteers to set up this event. And I filed my candidacy on October 1st. This is a very meaningful day to Chinese people. And I formally announced my candidacy on October 15th. So in 20 days, my team and I achieved a lot. We filed the press release, we formed a team, we divided the team functionalities. So we have a strategy team, a blog working team, fundraising team, social media team, data analysis team, etc. And also, the most importantly, we have the volunteers. I have volunteers actually aged from 18 years old to 21 years old. This is the unique things happening in my team. That who are some of them located locally in Houston, some of them actually in other state in college. But those are the people, also the young kids, leading my social media team. And I'm so proud of every one of my volunteers. And most importantly, I'm so thrilled of my young volunteers who are willing to get involved in politics. Most important reason I want to run for this campaign because I want to encourage more young volunteers, young kids to get involved in politics and the community. Because I want to give them a chance to grow. The futures are theirs.
Yes.
So the kids are the future. So for some of you, maybe you already know me. So my name is JJ Clemence. I'm going to run for 2020 Fort Bend County Tax Assessor. I have a bachelor's degree in finance accounting, master's degree in MBA. I'm a certified auditor. I have more than 15 years experience. I'm a lead auditor, business development manager, and a fundamental advisor at Spectra Energy, Baker Hughes, and Ambridge's Fortune 500 companies. And I run for this campaign because I believe in transparency and efficiency in government, fair tax rate, and I believe that Fubon County deserves a tested, experienced, conservative leaders. As a tax assessor, I want to make sure that your tax rate is calculated fairly to ensure the transparency process. I want to work hard to make sure to improve the current tax collecting process. And most importantly, I want to include young kids to be in the process, because I will manage your tax responsibly for the current and future generation. Why? Because save your money is my job. Save your money is my job. And I really believe in every level of government is very important. And I believe the Fubon County is the future of the United States. Just like you, I love Fubon County very much. So I want to make sure and work hard to make sure that Fubon County is the best county to live for in the United States. So for that, I want to fight this battle, and we need to fight that battle. And we need to fight that battle together. So please, I ask your help. Please help me, support me, and join me to fight that battle in 2020. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.